like 4:30, 5 o'clock.
Well, I'm gonna leave before you anyway, cause after I leave, I'm going by Donald. Huh.
Got time for 5?
I wish. You need time for her?
I'm
All right. Yes. Oh, y'all want to put that kind of money in the bus, huh? Yeah, because you already know you're gonna get change on the car. Yeah, Brittany. Yeah, my friend Brittany. Yeah. Oh, what's this?
That's my nephew.
Oh, which one, Josh?
Nah.
Nathaniel?
Yeah.
I haven't saw him in a while. I wonder if he still look like Rudy little brother.
You think you like Rudy, brother?
Yeah, when I saw him, yeah. Well, they look alike to me. One day, I almost got him mixed up with your nephew. One day.
You want to look at someone on YouTube or something?
I don't know yet, cause I about to go eat some dinner. Cause I like her cooking, you know.
Who don't like it?
I don't know.
You watch Simpsons?
I don't know
I
what.
want to watch someone when I'm in the shower.
All right, because what time are you going to take a crap?
Shower. Right now, that's.
Well, you know what? Someone. All right, let me try to take it.